You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is n smaller than -33. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 1/4 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the n. Multiply both sides by 4. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the n into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is n smaller than -33.